Welcome to the demo of Kanerika's intelligent data cleanup solution for Snowflake. Managing data across complex databases comes with real challenges. When organizations need to delete records containing sensitive or personal data, it is not just about removing a row from one table. That record may exist in multiple child tables, scattered across production and non-production environments. Doing this manually is time-consuming, error-prone, and creates compliance risks. That is why Kanerika developed an intelligent application for Snowflake. Besides deleting rows from the selected parent table, it also automatically identifies related child tables, builds the right SQL queries, and cleans up data across the lineage. Let us see how it works. We start by connecting to the Snowflake database. From there, users can pick any schema and choose a specific table. Next, users define the condition for deletion. For example, selecting the IN operator to remove multiple customer IDs at once. With one click, the system intelligently generates SQL queries for both parent and child tables. It shows the total number of potentially affected rows, helping teams understand the scope before execution. Now our AI-powered Lineage builder, which runs on a configurable schedule, automatically tracks copy activities involving PII data. This provides complete visibility into data relationships and ensures safer data management. Then, the Lineage graph makes this even clearer by visually mapping parent-child relationships. Hovering over edges reveals common columns, while hovering over nodes shows the actual columns in each table. Another feature is that, before execution, users can edit any of the generated SQL queries. After updating the query, they hit run, and the system executes all queries across parent and child tables in one go. Finally, checking the table confirms the changes. Selected rows are deleted, exceptions are preserved, and the operation is complete. Here's a quick recap of what we have covered. First, we looked at the challenge of manual data deletion across Snowflake. Next, we saw Kanerika's solution that automates deletion and keeps data consistent. Then, we covered the AI-powered Lineage builder that tracks dependencies and copies of PII. Finally, we showed a demo of defining conditions, reviewing lineage, editing queries, and running clean deletions. Simplify complex data cleanup and ensure compliance with Kanerika's lineage and deletion solution. Contact us at www.kanerika.com/meet.